I'd like to do is get some, and yeah. Off we go. Gotta watch out for this little, there was a angry wasp over here earlier. He didn't like me barging into his neighborhood. Doesn't look like I'm the first one to barge into this neighborhood though. Okay, so yeah. This is a first trip using the, I don't know if it's Katadyn or Katedyn. I've heard people say both for the mountain and for the bottle, but I really like the ease with which it can be filled. Yeah, I think I got a little buddy. I got a floater. And the speed that it pours with, I mean, I'm sure it'll clog up over time, but for the moment, it pours out so fast. It's impressive. I'm very much liking it. And for, you know, living here in the south, a lot of the mountains here are super wet, so you can pretty much just tote this 1 liter bladder with you and just fill up and drink on the go most of the time. And then when you get to a point that you're getting close to camp, or you know you're not going to cross water for a while, you can fill up a couple more bottles and you're good to go. So it seems like I'm one of not very many people who brought water, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill up and share a little bit of what I got. Oh, there it is. Alright. Alright. I haven't decided if this is the quickest way to fill it up or not yet, but it seems quicker than just waiting. And there you have it. So 2 liters of water relatively quickly.